Wagwan kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some guava pineapple juice, and I just add the guava, pineapple, the ginger, and blend it together. Then I strain it, and you can add any sweetener of your choice. This will not be a pretty much talk through video. It's an old video and I forget that I had it, and I just say like, why not upload it? So you can watch along. It's pretty simple.
Take it slow. I know you want this. I just hope you know. If we get started, ain't no letting go. If you in it, you all in. That's just how it goes. With my love, ain't no half and half thing. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no half and half thing. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing. I'm running through your mind, and you can't get enough of me. Take up all your time, can't ignore my energy. Driving you crazy to look on, look up what's it and be in it, you know so. So as the days roll by and we grow old, more time you wanna spend with my love. Ain't no half and half thing. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no half and half thing. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with nowadays. It seem like love fickle. Ain't nobody tryna meet in the middle no more. Only tryna